What's up, you guys? I just met, oh, there, now I'm kind of green. I just got to our meetup point with my buddy Ryan, and unfortunately, as soon as I parked at this O'Reilly Auto Parts parking lot, this guy pulled up right next to me in this truck and said that it was his parking lot, it was his store, which obviously he was probably telling the truth. But he like kind of snapped on me immediately. He didn't really talk to me, he just kind of snapped on me. And it's early, he probably hasn't had his coffee yet, he probably doesn't want to work today, I feel bad for him. But it's funny, it's ironic because 2 years ago, I actually broke down on my way back from Tennessee and stopped at an O'Reilly Auto Parts and they helped me out. So it kind of sucks that I had a bad experience now. But oh well, we're at our next parking spot. This looks good. Stay tuned, y'all. All right, here's my Capitan for the day, my guide. Ryan, we're gonna get it done, bro.
Round 2 in Illinois.
Round 2. Last time I was here, we caught 2, lost the 3rd. That was a year and a half ago, dude.
It was. It's Jeff's turn for an Illinois ski.
Let's do it. Well, actually, real quick, last time I was here, you said your PB was a 46.5. Well, that has changed since then.
It was 46. Last time you were here, I did about a 46.5 last fall, so.
But then you got your PB.
I got my overall PB at Lake of the Woods and got a 49.25. Still haven't broke that 50 mark, but
we're getting closer.
It's inching the right way.
All right, let's go. First trip of the year for me, Illinois Muskies. Let's do this. Yeah, I should have that one then.
I'm burning it, dude. And the thing is like these, that stump jumper was notorious for like if you burn it too fast, it'll rise out of the water.
Mm-hmm.
So like I'm like this, dude. Like just
to keep it down.
Just straight cranking it underneath the surface just to keep it under the water.
Dude, it'd be so cool to start the year on a topwater muskie.
I see Robbie's already tried.
And which? Oh yeah, when they're in Tennessee. That ain't gonna catch nothing here. That don't work here. And oh, you see that?
Got it?
No, dang, hit it again though. Shoot. Did you see that?
Yes.
That was sick, dude. New bait, dude. I didn't see what it was though. It seemed pretty big.
Oh, it's a muskie, 100%.
Hey, Jeff Shoots, JMS Lures. Just had my first hit on your, I don't even know what he calls this. Is this your devil dog, bro? Dang, man. I told you. That's why I brought this one. I was like, I think this will get bit.
Oh my God. This makes me so jacked.
Bro, it hit it. I mean, it didn't get it though. It didn't get hooks.
All right, I gave you a couple chances.
The second time it hit my tail. It grabbed it though. It pulled it under. You saw it go under.
Yeah.
But no hooks. That was sick, bro. Gosh, how did he not get hooks on the first one? And I kept reeling on the first one. I didn't jump it or nothing.
No, you didn't.
I did it perfect, but the second one, I felt it. It took it under, but it just had, I should check the tail. I hope I still have a tail. I didn't even think about that.
I looked, you do.
That was so cool. First hit of the year, you guys.
That seemed like a nice fish.
It was bigger. I mean,
that was no 30.
No, it was probably upper 30s at least, I'd say. Look at that. Keep it out, bro. Breakfast burrito. What's up, you guys? So we've been out here, not even an hour. And I just had our first action. I just had a blow up on topwater, which is pretty awesome this early in the year to get a topwater hit right away. So we're moving spots. We know where that fish lives. Didn't get hooks in her. Looked like an upper 30-inch fish, but good start. Glad to know that they're here and they're awake and that they're chasing topwater. So stay tuned. Hopefully we can get one here at our next spot. All right, you guys, I was not recording. I'm an idiot. First cast at this 3rd spot. First cast and Ryan just had a muskie chasing. That is crazy. Ryan was just telling me he saw a fish in here the other day, a nice one. And he just threw his first cast. And he's pretty convinced it's the same fish because this is a small spot. In his first cast, she just came chasing after it. That was insane. I wish I was recording, dude. It was.
That's bigger than I thought it was.
Did you see the fish that time? I just saw the water moving. We'll get her.
Fish might be 44.
How shallow is it up there?
Right, it's all like 5, 6 foot through here.
Okay.
You know what I'm thinking? We gotta do a loop around this thing, leave her alone for 20 minutes, and then come back on her.
Yeah.
So that's her.
It was moving. That was moving some water, bro.
Yeah, that's her.
When she turned, there was like 2 big swirls from her turn.
She came up. I thought she was gonna eat it. She was right behind it, and then she just declined it. I just don't know if I should be filming the same thing or something a little different.
I think I need to go to a suic. Or that bluegill bait I got. You know what? I'm gonna do one throwback on her with that bluegill bait. She was moving water, bro. Gosh, I wish I'd been recording. That would have been cool footage. That would have been really cool footage.
You know what? There might be a couple of them back here.
Well, they wouldn't surprise me, dude. I fish spots a third or fourth this size with 4 or 5 fish in them, so that wouldn't surprise me at all. Gosh, that thing moves some water, dude.
At least we know if we come back in here, we're gonna be casting a good fish. Got her. I don't know if that's her. That's not her. Hold on, I'm gonna turn her and bring her back. Coming back. That's not her.
Nope, that's not her, but still fish. All right, you guys, I was just switching baits, and Ryan's hooked up.
That's not her.
That's not her.
All right, I'm gonna push this out. There's a log right here.
Dude, you guys, I was just switching baits. That's definitely not her.
No.
I was just switching baits, you guys. So I didn't get the hit in all the fight, but Ryan's got our first muskie of the day. Good job, brother. Of course. Can you wait till I'm not doing something stupid and I'm actually filming? It's all right. It's a good start. Pretty fish, dude.
I got it.
Probably chasing that female we just saw.
Yep.
All right. Oh, it's pretty fish, though. Gosh,
Yeah,
look at
it's
the
nice
markings.
bars. Real scrawny fish, but
Look at the markings, dude.
they're all special to me.
Dude, that's first fish of the day. We ain't been out here that long.
She's so spotted. It's almost like a Great Lakes strain or
It's
something.
pretty.
You know, it's wild.
That is a pretty fish, man.
Let's let her go. Let her swim.
Good job, brother.
And look, for me to catch her one more day.
Good job, brother. Let's go get another one. What's funny is he's pretty good. He actually comments back more than most.
Which will probably get him even more. You're like, no way, I comment, you know.
Yeah, he does. He's pretty. I mean, again, he can't do everybody, but he does a lot more than some of the bigger YouTubers.
Like, no, man, I've commented like a dozen times.
Dude, it's crazy. His video, his LSC video, day 1 at the muskie battle. Fish, fish.
Oh,
See that?
yeah.
35 probably.
Was it? Yeah.
Yeah, I went right back to where it came from too, so it ain't far.
There she is. There she was.
Gosh. crazy that time. That was worse than the first one. All right, guys, just moved that little mid 30-inch muskie again on a different topwater, a flap tail, but that one came close. It came close to the boat that time. Yeah. Dude, that was a big one, bro. How big? I saw its tail. You guys, Ryan was just saying he's never fished this little cut, never seen a muskie in here. And as he finished his sentence, I shut off my camera. He had a fish foul to the boat, a nice one. What up, everybody? We're taking a little break. Got a little storm moving through, but it was perfect timing because I hit up Matt from SB Fishing, and he's here. So we're gonna try to get after some muskies together. We already moved 8 fish this morning, so hopefully the afternoon's even better.
I'm gonna need to see some licenses.
That was quick, bro.
Where was it at?
Right up here on the bank, like right before that little cut.
You haven't gone on this side yet?
No, we're gonna circle around this way.
Okay, because I was just gonna cut into there real quick.
So Matt's been here for what? 20 minutes? That was literally 8 casts in, he's already got an Illinois muskie. That's sick, bro.
That bait, I like instantly gave it to him. I really want him to catch one.
Dude, I need that bait. I'll take the bait.
Yeah.
Awesome, dude.
No, that's sweet, bro.
Dude, smoked it.
Cool.
I mean, absolutely just.
Well, it already, I mean, I hope you get more and bigger, but it already makes the trip worth it then. All right, your net man's ready. Let's do this.
Super glue? No.
Super glue? No, I might have like lure glue, but that's about it. Oh, I got glue for that. I've got that type of stuff.
Did I get it down?
Yeah. How big? How big? Hang on, he just moved a fish.
Spooked it.
How big?
35.
Which way did you go? That way? All right, third visit back to this hole, right? Third time's a charm. Third time's a charm. Oh, maybe not. Weeds. Weeds. Weeders. I wish you would have got it over on that first.
That way we wouldn't have to come back here.
Yeah, I wish you would have just got it on that first try. The only time we saw her.
Ain't that the truth?
Big smart girl.
Yeah, but she's been left alone for a long time.
Weather's changed twice. It's warmer.
We gotta be throwing Gilbert at her.
Probably should be throwing Gilbert.
The beef.
I don't know. The beef, you've given the beef. Oh, got her. Got her. Oh, dang. Dang. Did you see her, dude?
Was that her though?
That was a good fish. That was a good fish, bro. Gosh, you guys, are you kidding me? Second cast. That was a good fish. Are you kidding me? There was my chance, you guys, and I blew it. Oh, oh, oh! That was a good fish. It was heavy. I wasn't moving it. Dang, dude. All right, guys, I just stopped recording. I'm so disappointed right now, but I have to show you this. So that fish, I don't know why I didn't get hooks in it. I was really disappointed. She headhunted my bait. Look at my leader. This is a brand new wire leader. And you can see it is all jacked up to here. So that means she had that bait about from here to here, which that's about the head of about a 40, you know. She might have got front hooks for a second, but I don't even think she did. Oh, you guys, that's such a bummer. Nothing I could do. At first, I thought my hooks weren't sharp enough because this is a new bait that Ryan gave me, but I felt the hooks and they're actually pretty sharp for being new, so I didn't sharpen them. But look at that. That fish's mouth was from like here to here. I mean, gosh, that's a bummer. That is a big bummer. I'm so disappointed right now. I am so disappointed. You guys have no idea, because that's just something that's out of your control. I didn't even really have a chance at her. Now my leader's all jacked up. Oh, dude. We'll be back. My gosh, dude, it just sucks, because had she eaten it, I would have got her. I mean, she had my leader and I had her for a second or two, you know?
Yeah, you got her pinned with her teeth.
Yep. That is unbelievable. I am just really discouraged right now. Sorry guys, you're gonna hear me be depressed for this clip for a while. That was, that's the kind of eat you want on a glider, when they actually eat it. She was just ahead of it. It's so funny, I threw one cast, and my first cast we got in here, and I got weeds. And so I like made fun of myself, and I cleaned off the weeds, and my real first real cast in here without weeds, and that was only 3 or 4 pumps in. And she just freaking lit it up. Gosh, dude. That was a good fish, bro. It was over 40 for sure. And it was heavy. Like I wasn't moving her, you know? She was hanging there. That's a heartbreaker, dude. Oh, I'm just a little worried that she felt hooks on her cheek on the outside, and she ain't gonna eat. I don't either.
That would be great to be wrong.
If we were on the river, I would say she'll eat again, because river fish are the only place I've really seen more than once where a fish will eat twice. When they don't, I mean, I've had one get hooks in it for a split second and still eat a phantom, come back and eat like a 42.5. But river fish are different, you know. They're opportunistic. They're always ready to eat when that current's pushing something by them. So it makes more sense to me on the rivers. There was a fish. Looks small. Looks small. Like really small, like maybe 30. Not. I'm just mad. It's just dumb. I just hate when it's one thing if you just lose a fish, or even if I do something wrong, you know, it's like, you gotta get over that. But when it's just something dumb like that, where it just ate my leader.
We did everything right, and it just, luck of the draw didn't work.
That's just the story of my fishing career, though. I just don't really have a whole lot of luck. I gotta earn everything. It does give you a greater appreciation when it happens, but man, it sure sucks in the moment when something like that happens. I'm just tempted, like, I mean, it's highly unlikely, but just to throw a slightly different glider at her, either blue or my Warlock with no tail, similar colors, you know. But that's the thing though, the Manta I can glide, I can swing way wider and have long pauses, where the Warlock is more like a Phantom. You kind of dart it back and forth. You know what I mean?
Hit the turtles in place.
He didn't even flinch, you see that?
Yeah.
He was just like, I ain't scared. I ain't scared. Ooh, this looks pretty good.
Wow, that thing goes up too.
Good job, Mike. I like this one, Mike. I was just gonna say that's almost right where behind that first tree is almost where she came off of. Look at that! You kidding me? Did you see that?
Yeah.
That's her, dude. That's her.
Alright, back off.
I might have got hooks that time, but
Did you feel her?
I did for a split second.
Back off.
Oh my gosh, you guys, this fish is still here and she just freaking ate again. I'm telling you, she didn't get hooks.
You can keep casting. I just wanted to back the boat off of her. Keep going after her.
Oh my God, she's eating, bro. I'm just gonna keep switching gliders till I freaking get her.
I'm about ready to put on a glider.
Oh my gosh, you guys, this is insane. This fish is just hanging out in this corner and she just ate again. We just got back to her. I put on a different glider, a different color, different pattern. And she just ate again. The first time I was telling Ryan I didn't think she got hooks in her because she ate my leader. Now I know she didn't get hooks because she would not eat this soon. It's only been about 15, 20 minutes, if that. And she just ate again. Are you kidding me, dude?
It's not a very good strain. Big one.
Good job, bro.
There's some lumber right here.
Right here.
It's not that big.
It's a nice fish, though, dude.
Left side. Left side. Barely hooked.
Ah, brother. It's a nice fish. Might be 40. Upper 30s. Got the net?
Got the net.
Got it.
Yeah.
Good job, dude. Oh, that makes this feel a little better.
Not me.
All right, guys. Number 2.
Right yourself. Right yourself. All right, I'll take care of that.
All right, guys. Ryan just caught this really nice 40-incher. You guys are on the dot. Woo-hoo! That's sick. I just lost like a 43. Let's go back and get her.
Yeah, buddy.
Let's go. Good job, bro.